Let's go back. After inspection. Just tell us. Go on, sir. Before you come.
We've been monitoring the elections.
But now your mic.
We've been on the streets monitoring the elections, and we've visited a couple of polling booths.
But now your mic. Now your mic.
Keep quiet.
So far, so good. We've seen a large turnout in a lot of the places we've gone to. We've seen very large turnout in others, and there have been some places where the turnouts were quite low. But for us, our major concern is around the security of the elections. And I am so far encouraged and impressed by what I've seen. Areas where we've received minor complaints, we've risen up to the challenge, and we've been able to fix those ones. We're still out continuing on our monitoring. We are cautiously optimistic that all will end well, that have begun well. Thank you.